Feel to tell the world what I've got to say, but I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know, to let you know. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Mao na jud ni ako ang sarili. Kahit anong content i-upload. Good morning everyone. Yang pagkahuman ako halay, paghuman ako trabaho sa balay, nag-upload sa ako aron na ako'y ma-reels karong buntaga. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.